Hello students, today I will take in construction how to construct right angle triangle if one right angle and hypotenuse and one side are given. I have taken one question, construct a right angle triangle in which angle ABC equal to 90 degree, hypotenuse equal to 6 centimeter and one side is equal to 4 centimeter. For it, first I will draw rough figure so that I will get idea how to start. Because this is right angle triangle, so this will be shape B. Angle B is here 90 degree and hypotenuse, you know, side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So you can write C here or A here. This is 6 centimeter and one side is given 4. So I will write 4 as a base. So let's start. Draw BA equal to 4 centimeter. Using compass, construct 90 degree, take appropriate radius. With the same radius, this is 0 degree. Draw an arc. This is of 60 degree. From 60 degree, draw an arc. Now you can change radius from 60 degree and 120 degree because 90 is half of 180. So you will put compass at 60 degree arc and 120. So construct. This is 90 degree. Angle ABX, this is 90. Now from A to C, it is 6 centimeter. So with A as center and radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc which cut BX at C. Now join it and your right angle triangle is ready. Let's write steps of construction. So first step, draw a line segment BA equal to 4 centimeter. At B, construct angle ABX equal to 90 degree using compass. Then with A as center, and radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc. And what this arc is doing? It is cutting BX ray at C, which cuts BX ray at C. Now join AC. And thus we get required triangle ABC, which is right angle triangle. Now I will check how students will do it. Draw a line segment BA 4 centimeter. At B, take appropriate radius. Take appropriate radius. Draw a basic arc now with 0 degree and with same radius, draw an arc. it is 60 degree from 60 to 120. Good. Now change radius from 60 to 120. Draw arcs which cut each other. Now join, extend it and write X there. Now BX ray. Now with AS center and radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc which cut BX ray at C. This is C. Join AC and right angle triangle is ready. Very good. Good. Draw a line segment of 4 centimeter. BA. At B, construct 90 degree. Take appropriate radius. With the same radius, draw an arc of 60, then from 60, 120. Because 90 is half of 180, so using 60 and 120, draw an arc which cut each other. Now join, extend it. This is BX ray and angle ABX equal to 90 degree. With A as center and radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc which cut BX ray at C. This is C. Join AC. Thus you get required right angle triangle ABC. Right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90, AB 4 centimeter and AC hypotenuse is 6 centimeter. This is all for today. Thank you for watching it.